Hello, my dear little friends. I am the Earth, and today is my birthday. That is why we are celebrating the Earth Day. And I want to tell you about me, about our friendship. This is how I look, and you will agree that I am beautiful, isn't it? I am home to life for all the living things, such as trees, animals and birds, fishes, butterflies, and also to you all. But these days, I am very sad because many of my friends do not take care of me. They cut my beautiful trees for their buildings. They waste precious water, which is so important for life. Look at this little girl. She's about to brush her teeth, but her tap is on. That lady is busy talking over the phone, and she's wasting water. This young man is washing his car with a hose pipe, and he's splashing water everywhere. They even pollute my air with the smoke of their cars and factories. This makes breathing clean air difficult for all living things. Just as you need me for a beautiful life, I also need you to help keep me healthy. We are partners. So let me tell you some ways you can help me, even though you are small. Do not waste water. While you are brushing or washing your hands, close the tap while you are not using it. For example, when you often wash your hands these days because of coronavirus, rub the soap on your hands for 20 seconds. During this time, you can close the tap. When taking a bath, use a bucket instead of a shower. If you see any tap leaking water, you must immediately tell Mama or Papa to fix it. Turn off the lights. Whenever you leave a room, make sure to switch off the lights. If you are not watching television, turn it off. Do not litter. You can be a big help to keep your surroundings clean. Always throw garbage in the waste bin. Also, you can help Mama and Papa to clean the house. Plant more trees. Trees are our best friends, and they give us clean air to breathe. We must plant trees and take good care of them. You can even water the plants, the ones which you have at home. Say no to plastic. You know that plastic is harmful. That's why always use a cloth bag. So, whenever Mama goes for shopping, remind her to carry a cloth bag and refuse any plastic bags. I know you will remember all these small ways to keep me healthy. It's game time now. It is my birthday and I have planned a game for you. Are you all excited and ready to play? Let's begin. Ask mom or dad to make 2 small cards with letters Y and N written on it. Y means yes and N means no. You will see pictures in the coming slides. If you think they show the correct way to save the Mother Earth, then you will have to show the Y card, the yes card. Otherwise, show the N, no card. Look at this boy brushing his teeth. While brushing, his tap is closed because he is not using any water at this time. Is this the correct way to save water? Which card will you show? Will you show a Y yes card? Or will you show N no card? Y card? N card? Are you ready? Are you ready to show the cards? It is Y yes card. Yippee! It is the correct way to save water. This man is washing his car using a pipe. Look, he is splashing water everywhere. There are even puddles on the ground. Is this the correct way? Which card will you show now? Are you ready with your cards? Let us decide whether it is a Y card, N card, Y card, N card. Time to show your card. It is N no card because it is not the correct way to save water. Rather, he is wasting so much of water. This girl is listening to her phone. But look, her TV is still on. Do you think she is helping me? Which card will you show? Will you choose Y card, N card, Y card, N card? It's time for you to decide whether her action is correct or wrong. Time to show the card. N card. That means she is not doing the correct action. She is wasting electricity. These children are picking up litter and helping keep the house clean. Are they helping me? Let us choose a card for them. Y, yes, and no, they are not helping. Y, N, Y, N. Time to show the card. Y card. They are doing the correct action. And yes, they are helping me. This man has done some shopping and he is carrying his vegetables in many plastic bags. Do you think it is the correct way to help me? We have to choose a card for this action. Will it be a Y card? Will it be N card? Y, N, Y. Time to decide. Come on, show the correct card for this action. N card. He is not doing the correct thing. He is using plastic, which is so harmful. We have to say a big no to plastic and always use a cloth bag. Well done, friends. You are all ready to be my partners. You will not just help me, but help yourself for many coming years. Earth Day is our day. Happy birthday to us. Keep safe. Bye-bye, children.